Shamil here, new auto glass, working on Nissan Altima. Got my Pro set set up, glass is out. Cut it out with a zip knife, couple touch up of primer. Everything's good, no rust. But the video today is Marcy molding. So this is the original molding from Nissan and it's ripped. Usually I save them because they're very easy to save. So this one's ripped. And since I got Marcy moldings in mail, and M7 molding here is a almost same design. Look at that. It's amazing. It's soft and has a good grip on the glass. So I'm going to use this for the top molding. And this is going to be good for Nissans. Any Toyotas that needs top molding, this is going to be great. Marcy M7. So I got this tape. I love this tape. I tried it. I'm amazed with this tape. It's a very great tape too. Marcy tape, ME 4400, and Marcy M7 molding. Great. Thank you again, Marcy, for sending me these products. And this right here sits nice and straight. And don't even need to put a tape on it because this lip right here grabs onto it very well. So I'm just gonna adjust my Pro set and windshield is installed. Once again, this tape is amazing. The molding, the finished product right there is sitting nicely there. Probably put it down a little bit straight, but it's good. I like it. Very nice molding. M7, definitely buy it, use it on cars like this. Top molding. I know Toyotas have some top moldings, Nissans, and any other car that needs that type of molding. It's actually great, and it's very flexible too, so you can push it in a little bit more and it bends in perfectly. Just replaced this windshield on a Toyota Prius, nothing special. Set it with Pro set. My problem is with the original molding, the molding that I purchased for this, didn't work. It's underside molding, it's rubber, and I'm in New Jersey. It's December 12th today, and it's a little hard to do anything with this thing. It doesn't want to bend properly, it's cracking, so I threw this away in the garbage and I had to use a molding. So what I used was Marcy Pugm 3. Look at that beauty. The only thing I'm bad at is cutting corners, but other than that, this thing is just beautiful. So this is Marcy Pugm 3 molding, and that thing works like a magic. Look at that. Perfect and soft. The only thing you gotta do is cut those corners. Even if you don't cut them properly, when you install it, it will bend in perfect shape. So it looks amazing, even if you don't cut the corners good. So here, look at this. See it? I didn't really cut it too good, but from the distance, if you back up, it looks nice. So universal molding for a Prius Pugm 3 works like a magic. Again, use Marcy products, guys.